Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Now, usually when we're doing transactions at an ABM, we need a bank account and a bank card. But following the launch of a new feature today, Jamaicans with or without a bank card can now do cardless transactions at an NCB automated banking machine using the Lynk App. Javon Keys explains.
The local digital transactions landscape has changed with the launch of the central bank digital currency Jamdex and the only digital wallet so far, Lynk. The platform's latest innovation allows for cash deposits and withdrawals at NCB automated banking machines using a mobile device. Vernon James is CEO of Lynk.
It is a solution that allows the unbanked and underbanked to tap into digital financial services. No account, no card, as Patrick said, just your phone, and you'll see it shortly. Having tested the feature over the last few weeks, today Linkies can deposit and withdraw money from their Link wallets using approximately 300 NCB ABMs island-wide.
Jamaicans with or without bank accounts, once they have the Link app, can now withdraw cash from ABM. So we decided to have a go at it to see exactly how it works. Once we logged into the app, it took a few simple steps to get the transaction done.
Gonna go ahead to more, cash out. Hit here, cardless transaction. It's Link. Cash out. Scan that QR code as prompted. Confirm.
Once the matching codes are confirmed, we went ahead to put in the sum we wanted to withdraw, and in seconds. And as simple as that, I have $100 to buy my pen to write my story for later on. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the new feature is a forward step in the push for financial inclusion.
Because of the productivity gains of digital, right, it becomes less costly operationally, even if you have to invest up front, and it gives us more time. The digital space also allows for us to include more people in the economy. At the end of the day, our GDP is a sum total of our individual contributions.
Link also has plans to integrate more features shortly to include the ability to do transactions with large merchants and receive remittances. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
And just to emphasize that this feature is applicable to Jamaicans with or without a bank account. Time now for news on foreign currency trading. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.71. $115.46 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $137.18 for the pound, while it's costing $154.51 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 5,838 points today, while the junior market index fell by 14 points. Among the winners, KLE Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Everything Fresh, Jamaica Producers Group, and Jetcon Corporation. Leading the decliners were MPC Carbon Clean Energy, Eplis 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, and iCreate. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.